Hi, I'm Claire, and welcome to a 7-day meditation practice. This is our first meditation program. Maybe you joined this guided meditation because you are looking for a way to decrease the stress and anxiety you are feeling on a daily basis. Maybe you want to improve your health so that you can enjoy sleeping more peacefully. During these 7 days, I will work with you to explore inner peace. I hope you will find more peace, clarity, and joy in your life through this series of meditation. Today is the first day of practice, and the meditation topic is awareness of the breath. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit with your back straight on a cushion or chair, in a position that feels comfortable. Close your eyes. Place your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Keep your upper body straight and tall, like a mountain. The chest is soft. Let there be a soft smile in the corner of your lips. And bring your attention to the tip of your tongue. Let it fall, relaxed. Let your body rest easily and breathe gently. As you allow your body to become still, become aware of your breath as it enters your body and as it leaves your body. Focusing on the rise of your abdomen as you inhale and the fall as you exhale. If you find it easier to focus on the breath as it enters your nose or diaphragm, that's fine as well. Pay attention to wherever the breath feels the strongest and is easiest to follow. keep the rhythm of your breathing natural, not trying to change it in any way, just being aware of it. If you need help studying your mind, you can try counting rhythmically. Counting 1 on the in-breath and 2 on the out-breath. One on the in-breath and 2 on the out-breath. Now, I'll let you stay with the breath on your own for a moment. Observe it without anticipating it. Let it guide the way. You find from time to time, your mind will wander off into worries, distractions, or thoughts of the past or future. When you notice your mind has wandered away from your breathing, without holding any judgment, gently bring your focus back to the breath. Allow your thoughts to appear. Then, let them float away, like clouds crossing the sky. Just keep returning to the breath over and over. Breathing in and out. It's common to find sitting in stillness difficult at first, due to our constant inner chatter. As you sit, you'll think about all kinds of things. The day ahead that you're feeling, perhaps bored, or excited, or calm, or achy. You might be wondering if you're any good at this. Don't worry. The mind loves to keep busy. This is just its nature. Once you learn how to tame it, practice becomes easier. Continue breathing in and out. As the practice finishes, keeping your eyes closed, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and bring your attention back to the room. Notice how your mind and body feel. You'll find, as you continue mindfulness practice, the state of still awareness will become more and more accessible to you. There's just one catch. Much like any exercise that requires regularity, mindfulness takes practice. It's not enough to just read about it or think about it. You actually have to apply it in order for it to work. The longer you stick with this series, the easier it will become. Now open your eyes. Congratulations for completing day 1 of the 7 days. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow for session 2. And now, have a great day, and we'll see you then.